What's going on, guys? Welcome back, and today we're gonna talk about courier service. So if you know anyone that own a courier service, share this video with them. Like, subscribe to this channel. Let's get the ball going. First thing first, how to use GoHighLevel to run a courier service. If you run a courier service, whether you handle legal documents, medical specimens, retail delivery, or same-day packages, your biggest challenge usually isn't driving. It's communication and consistency. Missed pickup requests, slow quotes, client texts in different drivers, invoices not followed up, no central system for updates. And that's why in this video, I'll show you how to use a platform like GoHighLevel to become your communication and automation command center. While your routing apps, GPS tool, and dispatch software keep doing what they do, but all the communication is centralized into one place. Because guess what? Most courier business relies on phone calls, scattered texts, driver group chats, spreadsheets, memory, right? And guess what else? There's a lot of revenue leakage that happen, right? Think about it. When pickup forms go unanswered, when quotes are delayed, sometimes weeks, it's insane. Repeat clients aren't nurtured. They never got another email after you work with them. It's insane. Delivery confirmation are inconsistent, right? Invoices are forgotten. I mean, there's money that's on the table that you're not even collecting. These are system gaps, not effort gaps. You want to use a tool like GoHighLevel to centralize your messaging, automate repetitive client-facing tasks so your drivers can focus on delivery, not admin, all right? And I'm gonna share a couple systems with you. First one is a pickup request and quote automation system. Think about when a law firm, pharmacy, or e-commerce store requests a pickup, you should have an automation set up that send a text and email, right? That deliver your pricing sheets or service menu, that offer a booking link for scheduled pickups, that assign a dispatcher or an account manager to the account, that place a request to a new client on your pipeline. Speed communicates professionalism, silence communicate risk. Now you're able to automate this whole process and it happens instantly, right? Another system, scheduling pickups and driver shifts. You can use the built-in calendar on GoHighLevel to manage recurring pickup windows, client onboarding calls, driver orientation or safety briefing, right? Weekly route planning session, quarterly account reviews, okay? Automatic reminders to reduce missed windows and no-shows. And that's super helpful for medical or legal time-sensitive deliveries. Another system is a pipeline for client and job lifecycle. So now you're creating two pipelines, one for clients and one for job lifecycle, right? In a client's pipeline, you have new inquiries, you have quotes being sent, you have trial delivery set up, you have, what's the other one? Active accounts, right? And you have what we call renewal pending. So all that's happening on that pipeline, you get a visual bird's eye view of the dashboard. You can even add your at-risk account on there so somebody can track them. And then you have a separate pipeline for jobs and contract requested, okay? That pipeline, you have a schedule lane, right? So you could schedule things out in transit so you know where the job is, what's happening there, right? Delivered when the load is delivered so you know, okay, this job has been completed. You have an invoice sent to make sure that the invoice is sent on time, right? Make sure you get paid so you can even set up automation reminder text around that. And this gives you a real-time snapshot of business health instead of digging through messages and emails and WhatsApp text to figure it out. Another system is an automated check-in and invoice reminders, right? You can set up automation that send post-delivery satisfaction surveys to get feedback. You can trigger weekly check-ins for high-volume clients. You can set up reminder for clients when expiring contracts is coming up. You can send friendly invoice nudges. You can even notify account managers when an account goes quiet, all right? You're able to create consistency, which keeps your routes full because silence opens doors to competitors. I also want to share two creative strategies most courier companies aren't using. All right, strategy number one is what's called the delivery milestone messaging. So instead of only calling when there's a delay, automate the updates. Driver assigned, picked up, out for delivery, deliver, proof of delivery uploaded, right? And these are like text messages or email notification being sent out automatically. It creates that quick feedback loops, and also you can add a link in those messages for people to reorder, right? So now you're creating a revenue flow as well. Now the clients feel informed without hiring extra dispatch staff. Another strategy is what we call the VIP client micro portal. So for your top big accounts, think the pharmas, the hospitals, the law firms, the big e-com stores, right? You create a simple private portal for them, give them login access. They get rate sheets and contracts, insurance and compliance docs, pickup request forms, support tickets, quarterly review scheduling. It elevates your professionalism without building custom software, right? I want you to think about efficiency without replacing core systems. So GoHighLevel is not going to replace your routing or GPS apps. It's not going to replace your dispatching board, right? It's not going to replace the barcode scanners. It's not doing any of that, right? It's not going to replace your accounting or payroll tools. It's just complementing and centralizing your communication in one single place. That makes your life easier, makes your job easier, because those reminders go out automatically. Those follow-ups go out automatically. The client journey is smoother, clearer to understand. You have a retention system in place to make it easier to keep qualified clients on the books. Follow-up system is up and running properly. I want you to think of automations handles repetition while your team handles operation and deliveries. And to give you this quick tips, if you want stronger client relationship and a smoother communication, start with pickup request forms, build pipelines under it, then add milestone automation like I spoke about earlier, then layer out renewals and invoice workflows. Now you can put this whole thing into GoHighLevel and do a trial test for 30 days to see how you like it, right? And if you need help mapping this whole thing out, or you want somebody that can set this whole thing up for you, we have the team, we have the manpower. If you know anyone that own a courier business that want to be more efficient and generate more revenue, please share this with them. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Cheers.